What's up folks, Dan here from BeAGameCharacter.com. Today we're going over the ab wheel. This is one of my favorite pieces of equipment, period. Hands down my favorite piece of abdominal exercise equipment. I mean, if you're not counting the pull-up bar. So you can get these, they're like 15 bucks I think. I'll put an Amazon link in the description if you want. If you buy through there, you'll help support the blog. So basically the idea behind these is you roll out on the ground and you roll back up again. Sounds simple enough, right? It's kind of difficult actually. If you are just starting out, I would recommend starting with planks and hanging leg lifts first. Once you start to find both of those relatively easy, you're probably able to jump up to the ab wheel. But also, you can start with the kneeling variant, which is a lot easier than the standing variant. So we're going to show that one first. What you're going to do is, if you're not on a soft floor, first of all, you're going to want some sort of a cushion for your knees probably, just because it's a little hard on the knees to just kneel down on the floor for extended period of time. And you're going to put your arms out straight like this, okay? And what you want to do, you're going to roll down until you're flat, and then back up again. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're not actually touching the ground at full extension. If you can't get that full extension when you're first starting out, that's fine. Go to here. That's all you got, that's all you got. Even if you just go to, say, here. And back again. Just focus on keeping those abs tight. But you want to make sure, again, that you maintain posture as you go all the way down, keeping those abs tight. You don't want to roll one way or the other way. You don't want your arms to go up above your head like this before you're down to the flat level. You want your arms to extend at the same rate that your hips do. And back up again. Once you're able to do those relatively easy, you're ready to start moving on to the standing ab wheel rollout. For the standing ab wheel rollout, you're going to want to start basically with a slightly wider stance, and that's going to be all you're going to be able to do when you're first starting out, because the angle of attack is different from the kneeling rollout. Once you start being able to go a little bit further, you can start here, bend legs, see how my legs are bent, go down and back up again. Once you start getting comfortable with that, then you can start really working that range of motion. I almost lost it there. Again. Like so. Another way you can make this easier is to do it on a padded surface, like a soft, thick carpet, or a gymnastic mat if you got one. That'll control the rolling a little bit. Make it a little slower, make it a little easier to control. The other thing you can do if you have it is, if you got a sloped surface, like a gentle uphill slope, doing this on a sloped surface will help you build up a lot faster, because if you're on flat ground, you need a lot more control to keep from rolling all the way down, whereas if you're on a sloped surface, you can roll up that surface and back down again a little bit easier. So that's it for the ab wheel rollouts. Relatively simple. You're probably going to be at the kneeling variant for quite a while. But once you get up to the standing variant, it's really going to hit your abs. Even the kneeling variant will hit your abs super hard. Now, I use this in the Mikasa Ackerman workout from Attack on Titan, and you can pop over to the blog and check that out. And I think I'll probably be integrating it into more workouts in the future as well. So thanks for watching. As always, remember, live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.
Listen.